Hey, thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be driving the first part of Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado. But for our first-time visitors, this video is part of my 9-day trip out west to Utah and Colorado, so be sure to check out some of the other videos from this trip, which does include thousands of miles of dashcam footage just like this one, and videos of my visits to all 5 amazing national parks in Utah. Well, right now we are in Grand Lake, which is on the western entrance to the Rocky Mountain National Park. Once we return to US 34 East, it will take us right into the park past the Kawuneeche Visitor Center. Once inside the park, US 34 becomes a trail ridge road, and we'll follow it through the Kawuneeche Valley along the Colorado River to Farview Curve Point. Also, before you go, please make sure to leave a comment on what you thought about this video. If you have any questions or recommendations on places I should visit. I love getting recommendations, ideas, or any kind of feedback from you all, so please keep that coming. So for now, while you're hopefully leaving that comment or hitting that like and subscribe button, you think I've earned it. I'm going to continue driving towards US 34 and Rocky Mountain National Park.
Hey everybody, here we are at Farview Point here in Rocky Mountain National Park. This is just before the Milner Pass, depending on which way you're going. If you're going east to, or west to east, it would be on the first pass you pass through. It would be the last if you're going the other way. We just came up that road. I don't know if you can see it way down there. We came up from around 8,000 feet down in Grand Lake, and now we're up above 10,000 here. And the view is just stunning.
Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll continue on Trail Ridge Road in the Rocky Mountain National Park. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.